Hello everyone, I am Nadia Ninta Syafira Putri, final year student at School and Management Business, Institut Teknologi Bandung in Indonesia. Today, I will be presenting my paper with the title Determining Marketing Strategies Based on Farmers' Behavior to Increase Farmer Willingness to Buy Nitya's Feed. Start from introduction. The main feed for cattle is forage, while concentrate is only additional feed. For cattle, health depends on the feed consumed. Meanwhile, the quality and quantity of forage is influenced by the ongoing season. Based on data released by the Ministry of Agriculture of Republic of Indonesia, there is a decrease in agricultural land in Java. This fact results in the uncertainty of the quality and quantity of forage. Therefore, efforts are needed, considering that cattle require cattle feed at least 10% of their body weight. In responding to the problem of forage for cattle, various efforts to find alternative forage continue to be developed in Indonesia. One of them is by Nitya. Nitya is a startup that makes all-in-one cattle feed consisting of concentrate and forage in one package. Nitya use seaweed as the main forage composition because Indonesia is world's largest of seaweed habitat with 1.2 million hectares. Nitya use Gracilaria seaweed because Gracilaria is capable of adapting to a wide range of environmental change and can be found in Indonesian water. However, until now, Nitya is still having difficulties in determining the right marketing strategy. Nitya has not figured out how to get the cattle farmers willing to try new feeds whose the main ingredients are extremely different from the feed they usually use. Thus, researchers conduct consumer understanding by identifying what factors that most influence the behavior of cattle farmers in choosing cattle feed. This is done to give recommendation marketing strategy that Nitya must prepare to successfully introduce their products to market. To conduct this research, the researchers conducted literature review. The first is marketing strategy. Selecting the correct marketing strategy is one of the most important phases in accomplishing company goals. Only by knowing exactly what things consumers desire, what price they are prepared to pay for this item, what distribution routes are most ideal, and what supporting action will deliver the best outcomes can one design a marketing strategy. The next is marketing mix. The marketing mix is a set of interconnected action and solution designed to address consumer wants while also achieving the company overall marketing objective. The marketing mix refers to product, place or distribution, promotion, and pricing tactics. Because researchers do consumer understanding, the third is the theory of consumer behavior, which can be defined as how people decide how to spend their limited resources, such as time, money, and efforts, on various product and service. This covers what they purchase it, why they purchase it, when they purchase it, where they purchase it, how frequently they purchase it, and how frequently they use it. The last theory is about the factor affecting consumer behavior. There are cultural, social, personal, and psychological factors that have a significant impact on consumer purchasing. Consumer behavior has existed for a long time and illustrates how people think, live, act, and behave. It is influenced by the particular consumer demographic background, experience, current circumstance or activity, socioeconomic features, and behavioral patterns. This study research design begin with the identification of the problem and end with conclusion and recommendation. This study conducted qualitative analysis to acquire a better knowledge of the problem. Semi-structured interview is used in this interview. This interview is made up of a sequence of open-ended questions about the topic of study. This interview will select 7 cattle farmers who live in suburban area in West Java and have at least 20 cattle beef. These people are eligible to participate in this interview and can tell the researcher about their experience with cattle feed and how they think about it. The result from qualitative analysis that collected from the informant explanation then divided into 8 subjects. The behavioral of cattle farmers, the social life of cattle farmers, the personal life, psychological life, product, price, place, and promotion. For behavior, cattle farmers usually feed their cattle twice a day. Cattle farmers agree that the timing of giving with disciplines will be better. However, each cattle farmer has their own feed composition depending on the composition of the brand of concentrate they use and also related to cattle body weight. For social life, cattle farmers often exchange information with each another. They like the social activity because it can increase their knowledge. Most of farms gather in the same area, therefore, the social relationship between breeders is very close. For personal life, the problems they face are the same. Cattle feed is difficult to reach and the price continues to soar, while the need for cattle feed continues to increase along with the increase in the number of cattle. For psychological cattle farmers, they have quite different reason why they start livestock business from one another. Some started a livestock business because a hobby, some started because of their educational background, some started because it was a family business. But they have in common that they want to continue and develop this business and they agree that this sector is profitable. For feed product, cattle farmers focus on finding cattle feed that can meet the nutritional needs of cattle. Cattle farmers measure it by looking at change in body weight in cattle. Cattle preference is also a consideration for some cattle farmers because sometimes cattle may not like a feed. As for feed packaging, cattle farmers are quite comfortable with 50 kilogram size because the daily feed requirements of each cattle differ depending on the weight of cattle, so they can adjust by themselves. In addition, the 50 kilogram size facilitates the mobilization process. For price, based on the cattle farmers involved in this research, they spend money on cattle feed is around 20,000 rupiah to 60,000 rupiah per cattle per day. The price includes concentrate, forage, and shipping costs. However, most cattle farmers think that the good price for cattle feed is around 40,000 rupiah per cattle per day. With this price, cattle farmers still get a profit and at the same time the feed received by the cattle farmers is the good quality feed. For payments, some cattle farmers like cash on delivery payments because they don't want to have a debt, while some are more comfortable with term payment for the reason that they are not yet earning income from their livestock. For place, most cattle farmers usually buy feed in a place not far from the farm. The reason is the freshness of the cattle feed, and if the cattle feed is not enough, it can be sent immediately. All cattle farmers involved in this research never buy feed online for fear that the quality is not suitable. And things that makes cattle farmer interested in buying cattle feed are evidence that the cattle using the feed are gaining weight and are healthy and there are a clear and always updated information on nutritional content regularly. Now let's move to the conclusion. Based on the result on previous research and discussion, the factor that most influence the behavior of cattle farmer in choosing cattle feed are social factors because cattle farmer often exchange information with each other. In this activity, cattle farmer often share information about cattle feed, including where they buy it, what they think about it, how much it costs, and so on. This factor can be a very potential factor for making a 4P marketing strategy based on the characteristic of the cattle farmer. And this is the recommendation 4P marketing strategy for Nitya and must prepare to successfully introduce its product to the market. The first is Nitya's feed product are made according to the Indonesian national standard in order to meet the nutritional needs of cattle in general. Nitya feeds can also make Nitya plus feed variants which consist of several categories. For example, one that is high in carbohydrates, high in protein, and high in fiber depending on the needs of certain cattle at a certain time, including the date of laboratory tests on the packaging and update it regularly to increase consumer confidence. And the packaging is made in 50 kilogram size based on the preference of the cattle farmer. The second is the price range for Nitya's all-in-one feed is made around 40,000 rupiahs. The price includes short distance shipping. Nitya should provide various choice methods of paying for cattle feed depending on the preference of the cattle farmers. But whatever the method of paying for cattle feed, there is required a written agreement between the cattle farmer and Nitya so that it can be accounted for. The third is Nitya feed sales outlet can start in densely populated area with cattle farmers because usually the pattern of settlement for cattle farmers is gathered. This is done because cattle farmers like offline purchase and make the distribution process easy. In addition, sales outlets that are close to farmers can facilitate the process of consumer service to farmers if something happens. And the third is the promotion can be started by visiting the cattle farmer's farm to offer a free trial of Nitya's feed for the cattle to try and see how it changed in the cattle. Free trial is prioritized on cattle farmer who have an influence on surrounding cattle farmer to maximize the dissemination of information that occurs among cattle farmers. That's all from me. Thank you for listening. And if you have a question, please comment below. Have a good day, everyone.